In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see grid photos on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few seconds. This is a super simple trick if you want to browse someone's images faster, check out their photo uploads, or find all of their shared media in one clean view without scrolling through every single post. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X in your browser or on your app and go to the account you want to view. You can either search for their username in the search bar or navigate directly to their profile if you already know it. Once you're on the profile page, look at the tabs near the top. You'll usually see options like Posts, Replies, and Media. The one you want is the Media tab. Go ahead and click on Media. As soon as you do that, X will automatically filter out text-only posts and show you only the posts that include photos or other visual media. This makes it much easier to browse images, because instead of seeing every post mixed together, you get a neat grid-style layout of shared pictures. Now you can scroll through the grid and quickly view all of the account's uploaded photos in one place. This is especially useful for creators, brands, photographers, or anyone who posts a lot of visuals on X. If you're trying to find a specific image, this grid view saves a lot of time compared to manually opening each post one by one. And that's all there is to it. To see grid photos in X or Twitter, just open the profile, click the Media tab, and let X organize the images into a photo grid for you. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.